Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I keep small animals out of my garden. I've got a little tomato garden and I put up a little electric fence around it, and I've gone to a little bit bigger electric fence controller. I'm going to a 1 joule output up to a 5-mile fence. Right now I've got a half a joule. It's a 2-mile fence. It's only putting out 1,000 volts. This is supposed to go up to 4,000 volts. We're going to install it and I'll show you how to do it. And what you want to do whenever you get a electric fence, you want to check it to make sure that it's going to work. I bought this multi-light electric fence tester. It's not very expensive, it's less than $20. And this one's pretty easy to use. Just hook that in your fence, put that to a good ground, and it'll show what your output on your fence is. What you want to do, you want to check it at your controller, and then you want to check it at your fence. It should be the same voltage. Little fence controller I've got now just goes up to 2 miles. It shows a half a joule. It's been working good. It kept several animals out of my garden. I was looking the other day and a rabbit went right through it like it wasn't even there. So I decided to upgrade and get a more powerful Energizer. That pretty much shows what you need to keep the animals out of your garden. I don't know if you can see it on the meter. This one right now is putting out 2,000 volts. You got to make sure these are in out of the weather too. You don't want them to get wet. The green one's going to be your ground. Your red one's going to be your supply to your fence, your power. Very easy to hook up. Yeah, we'll plug it up and see what we got here. Right now, I don't know if you can see it or not. I'm showing up to 7,000 volts. I guess you can see that. You can see a little flashing up to 7,000. Now I've got the controller unplugged. You want to make sure it stays unplugged when you're doing it. Come to your ground rod. I got my ground rod right here. When it's real hot and dry, what want to make sure you keep your ground rod grounded good. I'll come in here about once a week, pour about a gallon of water on my ground rod. Always unplug it just to make sure. Probably won't hurt to leave it plugged up. I'll have to make sure I'm not grounded to it. That'll help make sure you maintain a good ground. We're good to go.